Hi there, we're back at the Eezi-Awn facility in Johannesburg in South Africa. And what I wanted to show you today is the current Fortuner. Now yes, the vehicle isn't new, and yes, we've done thousands of roof racks on this vehicle, but you often get the question that people would like to see it in the flesh, and that's the reason why we've just done this little video today. And basically what happens is we replace the OMI bars with Eezi-Awn K9 track system, which bolts onto the existing holes in the roof of the vehicle. We don't drill extra holes. The nice part about our system is you can obviously remove the wrap and be just left with the track, or you can remove the track completely should you want to sell the vehicle, and you can put the OMI bars back in their place. So basically we run our slats from front to back, which makes it really easy to walk around on. And if you wanted to, you could put your pillows here and you could lie here, or you can basically take a deck chair and put a deck chair on it. But it makes it really, really nice and really strong. And yeah, on the current Fortuner, it really, really, really looks good. Like all our K9 systems, these are expedition grade, because what actually happens is it's got the ring rail that runs out on the outside, it's completely extruded aluminium. It all locks in together. It is welded, and as you can see here, it looks really, really good on the current generation Fortuner.